So in some questions, you may be asked to show or identify sets using shading on Venn diagrams. So note you could potentially have to go both directions. So they may have some shading on there and ask you what the set is, or they want you to shade what they've asked you to. So here's a diagram. They've asked us to shade set B. So what you would do, I can do this, look.
Why do you have someone?
You can because it won't shade in the correct area. So this is the bit that you would shade. Oh my gosh, that's the way forward. Right, this next one, A, U. What did the U mean, Lily?
United.
So in other words?
It's
everything in the where? In the sets A and B. So we would shade, not that tiny bit outside. We would shade all of this. Okay, but not this tiny mistake here. All right, so this next one, we have to remember what this little apostrophe means. What does it mean? Now, Elena's just learned it, apparently.
I learned it, but I forgot it, so I relearned it.
So what does the A apostrophe mean?
That it's not included in that set.
So it means, everything but A, yes? So we're going to shade everything apart from circle A. And
even the outside?
yeah, even the outside. Okay? All right. Now this next one is starting to get a bit trickier. So what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to take two different colours. Okay? So, all right, now I'm going to go with two different colours. So you may want to just hold off just for 1 second. The reason I'm going for two different colours is we're looking at the intersection. So we're trying to see where these two sets meet. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to shade both of them to start with, but in a different colour. So I'm going to shade B in red. So that's just this shade here. So remember, don't shade yet. Okay, so I've shaded B in red. I'm now going to shade not A in blue. Okay, are you with me?
Yeah.
Now, this meant, bless you, the intersection. So in other words, where do those two sets meet? So you look at this diagram and say, well, where have I shaded both colours? And it would be just this crescent here. Do you all see that? And so the answer is going to be the green area. So it's where does B meet not A. So it can be in B, but it mustn't be in A. All right, and this next one, this next one's hopefully a pretty easy one. So we're shading just the intersection, so it's this baby bit in the middle. Now, for information purposes, this question here, or the opposite version of it, B dash intersect A, are very common questions. Okay, so this one is a very common one to have, either to sketch or to shade or to recognize. So if you have this crescent area, it's going to be some intersection with some knots involved. Okay. Some more examples of Venn diagrams. Oh, wow. Okay, do I really want to go through all these?
No.
No. Okay, so as I said, this fancy E is a universal set. Here we've got the intersection of A and B. Union. Complement of, this was just the complement of A. I don't know why it says and B. Cross that out, please.
Which way?
Because there's no B there. And A is a subset of B, so that's A, they've shown is inside B. And empty set.
It's had like